wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best ping pong nets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Butterfly RNP replacement features a black mesh attached to 2 strong metal rods that will slot into the holding tubes found on the brackets of most net series from this company, such as the National League, Europa, Elite and AJ. It comes with pull chains for adjusting the tautness and stretches to a maximum of 6 feet across. However, it is only suitable for this manufacturer. At number 9, the JP winlook Anywhere comes as a set of 2 and is waterproof, so you can use it indoors or out. These are retractable, so you just need to pull them out to span playing areas of up to 5 feet wide. They're lightweight and portable and come with a carrying bag, but they can gradually lose their tautness and sag. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Joola adjustable has 2 handles that release a retractable net when you pull them apart, with a button clamp for easy attachment to tabletops of 1 3/4 inches thick or less. It expands to nearly 6 feet and is compact and portable. However, the supports will lean inward over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ping pong nets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Champion Sports PN105 creates its tension via looped metal hems riveted to each end of the black net that you pull taut and slot over the L-shaped supports, eliminating the need for small adjustments with fiddly strings and chains. It's good value for the money and fits standard-sized tables, though it's not accepted as a regulation setup. Moving up our list to number 6. The navy blue grips of the comesee CS101 have a generously sized opening to fit onto a host of different thicknesses. The height and width are regulation size, and the collapsible vertical posts help make setup quick and easy. It's made of cotton mesh with nylon attachments and stainless steel springs. However, the clamps are not especially sturdy. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you need to take your net to lots of different places, the squeezable clamps on the Stiga T1565 make it easy to set up anywhere, and the protective rubber pads will grip the surface well while preventing any scratches. It offers a precision tension adjustment and includes a regulation measuring tool. It's USATT approved for tournament play. At number 4, a good choice for tables that need to be stored away at the end of the day. The joola stapper has clamps you simply squeeze apart and slot onto the playing surface. When it's time to go, you just collapse the L-shaped poles. The supports come in a silver color and with a reusable storage case. The net's made of a reinforced cotton blend. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The clamps on the Butterfly T31 can grip tables up to 1 3/4 inches thick, which is slightly more than most. It meets all official size regulations, meaning it can be used for competition play. It features brackets padded with rubber, metal chains to regulate the tension, and screws to adjust the height. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ping pong nets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, although it features an uncommon blue net, the Stiga Premium VM is still approved for use in professional competition. It attaches using the traditional screw-on system, and the tension of the cord is fine-tuned with strings tied at each end. It comes with protective padding on the clamps and is made of high-quality cotton by a trusted manufacturer. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Joola WM is approved by the ITTF for use in tournaments and is the official choice for the US Open. The heavy-duty metal posts are height adjustable, and the brackets can be clamped to tops up to 1 1/2 inches thick using felt-tipped hand-tightened screws. It's made of double-woven cotton steel mesh, and the tension can be precisely set. It includes a storage case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ping pong nets, or simply click beneath this video.